Welcome to this Yoga Nidra practice, designed to calm the mind and guide you toward a state of expanded oneness. This practice may be done anytime, day or night, when you feel you need to turn inward and relax. Now when you're ready, find a comfortable position lying on your back. Allow your legs to relax and your arms to rest by your sides, with the palms facing up. Gently close your eyes and begin to bring your awareness inward. We will now journey through your body, bringing gentle awareness to each part. Bring your awareness to your right hand, right thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, palm of the right hand, back of the hand, wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, armpit, the right waist, hip, thigh, knee, calf, ankle, heel, sole, top of the right foot, right big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe. Now move your attention to your left hand, thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, palm of the left hand, back of the hand, wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, armpit, the left waist, hip, thigh, knee, calf, ankle, heel, sole, top of the left foot, left big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe. Bring your awareness to the back of your body, lower back, middle back, upper back. Now to the front of your body, abdomen, chest, the entire front of your body. Bring your awareness to your neck, throat, chin, jaw, lips, nose, cheeks, ears, eyes, forehead, crown of your head. Your entire body is now relaxed. Sense your whole body lying here completely relaxed. Feel the natural rhythm of your breath moving through you. Your body is heavy, sinking into the surface beneath you. Shift your attention to your breath. Notice the gentle flow of air entering and leaving your nostrils. Feel the rise and fall of your chest and abdomen with each breath. There's no need to change anything. Simply observe. Begin to silently count your breaths backwards from 10 to 1 with each exhale. Inhale, exhale 10. Inhale, exhale 9. Continue counting down to 1 at your own pace. Allow any thoughts or feelings to arise without judgment. Observe them as passing clouds in the sky of your mind. Simply notice and let them go. Imagine you're standing at the edge of a vast, calm ocean. The water is clear and still, mirroring the sky above. As you gaze into the horizon, feel the infinite expanse of the ocean merging with the sky, symbolizing the unity of your inner and outer worlds. Feel yourself becoming one with the ocean and the sky. The boundaries between your body and the universe dissolve. Experience the sensation of pure being, where you are connected with all that exists. Rest in this space of oneness and stillness. There is nowhere to go, nothing to achieve, just this moment of complete presence. You are one. You are one with the universe. Separation is an illusion. You are one. Separation is an illusion. You are one. You are one with the universe. Begin to bring your awareness back to your physical body. Feel the surface beneath you supporting you. Become aware of the sounds in the room, the air on your skin. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes. When you're ready, roll onto your right side and take a moment here. Slowly bring yourself up to a comfortable seated position, keeping your eyes closed if you wish. Take a deep breath in and fully exhale. Carry this sense of peace and oneness with you as you continue your day. Namaste.